Welcome back, everybody, to the Project 2 workshop. I've been working on the bodywork on the Salvage Challenger today. As you can see, I've taken care of most of the dents and dings in this body in preparation for the paint process. I've saved the last trouble shot just to show the world how someone who has no idea what they're doing does it anyways. Right or wrong, it's getting done. I can't justify spending a lot of money on tools that I won't use that often, so I'll use what I have, knowing that it isn't the right tool for the job. My first goal is to identify the high spots in the panel. The easiest way for me is to use my orbital sander on the area. The high spots quickly show themselves, so I can grab my really expensive body hammer and tap them down until I feel like they're far enough. Next, I'll grab my favorite tool in the box. This is a Dico grinder with a red Scotch-Brite pad. I'll use this to remove the old finish in the area I expect the body filler to end up. These tend to grow, so be liberal with your guesstimation. Standard body filler isn't designed to be applied over anything but bare metal. The glazing putty that you'll see later is designed to work over a factory finish. I'll then mix up some body filler on a handy paper plate and apply it to the area. A lot of guys try to time it and begin sanding prior to the full set. I'm not that good and find myself just making a mess of things, so I'll wait until it's really hard and then sand. You'll see I use a combination of the orbital and a block. The goal is just to keep things flat. I use my hand to feel the panel as I go. Once it feels straight, it probably is. This is what a low spot will look like. To prep these, I like to use some sandpaper and get in there by hand. Apply some more filler, and after that sets up, you can sand again. Just keep sanding until it feels flat. I also knock down the body line a bit, just to match the factory radius. Once I'm happy with it, I make sure it's clean by using a little prep spray. Since I have some bare metal spots, I'll cover the repair with some self-etching primer to keep any corrosion at bay while I'm finishing the rest of the car. I'll be turning a stall in my garage into a makeshift paint booth. Both bumpers, the right fender, and the hood will all be coming back off for paint. We still have a ways to go, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.